Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Rekha. This lecture series is really going to be useful for those who are preparing for your UGC NET or SET examinations in electronic science subject. In this video, we are going to see about high electron mobility transistor HEMT. The topics covered are introduction about HEMT, fabrication, structure, operation, advantages and applications, other HEMT based devices. HEMT, high electron mobility transistor, is a type of field effect transistor. It has a PN junction between two dissimilar materials or materials with different band gaps, that is heterojunction. Hence it is also called as heterojunction field effect transistor or modulation doped field effect transistor. This HEMT gives enhanced performance over other standard junction or MOS field effect transistors. It has a very narrow channel which enables it to operate at extremely high frequencies. Commonly used materials for HEMT are aluminum gallium arsenide and gallium arsenide. Among this, gallium arsenide is generally used because it has high electron mobility. Silicon is not used because it has lower electron mobility. Next, we will see about the fabrication of HEMT. In the manufacture of HEMT, the substrate is made of semi-insulating gallium arsenide layer. Above this, an intrinsic layer about 1 micron thick of gallium arsenide is set down. Next, a very thin layer between 30 to 60 angstroms of intrinsic aluminum gallium arsenide is set down. The main purpose of layer is to ensure separation of the heterojunction interface from the doped aluminum gallium arsenide. This is essential for achieving high electron mobility. Above this layer, a doped layer of aluminum gallium arsenide of about 500 angstroms thick is set down. Then gate, source and drain terminals are made. Initially, when they manufactured HEMT, they were in the form of discrete transistors. But nowadays, they are manufacturing HEMT in the form of integrated chips. Monolithic microwave integrated circuit or MMIC found applications in radio frequency design application. Next, we will see about the structure of HEMT. There are two main structures of HEMT: self-aligned ion implanted structure and recess structure. In self-aligned ion implanted structure, above the doped layer, gate, source and drain terminals are set down and they are generally metallic contacts. The gate is made of titanium and it forms a minute reverse bias junction similar to that of gallium arsenide FET. The source and drain contacts are made of germanium. In recess gate structure, another layer of N-type gallium arsenide is set down to enable the drain and source contacts, and the areas are etched. Next is operation of HEMT. The operation of HEMT is different from other FET devices. The electrons from the N region move through the crystal lattice and many remain close to the heterojunction. These electrons form a layer that is only 1 electron thick. This layer is known as two-dimensional electron gas. Within this region, the electrons are more free to move, and hence the mobility of the electrons in the gas is very high. The bias voltage applied to the gate is used to modulate the number of electrons in the channel, and this thereby controls the conductivity of the device. The width of the channel can be changed by the gate bias voltage. The advantages of HMT. HMT have high gain at microwave frequencies because the charge carriers are mostly the majority carriers and the minority carriers are not significant. They provide very low noise operation because the current variation in the device is very low. They operate at extremely high frequencies. It can operate up to 100 gigahertz. And coming to the applications, because of their low noise operation, they are suitable for application in low noise small signal amplifiers, power amplifiers, oscillators, and mixers operating at frequencies up to 60 gigahertz. They are also used in RF design applications including cellular telecommunications, direct broadcast receivers, DBS, radar, radio astronomy, etc. Other HMT based devices are PHMT and MHMT. PHMT, that is pseudomorphic high electron mobility transistor, is an advancement of HMT. They are extensively used in wireless communications and low noise amplifier applications. They offer high power added efficiencies and excellent low noise figures and high performance. Next, metamorphic high electron mobility transistor. This transistor is an advancement of pseudomorphic high electron mobility transistor. Here the buffer layer is made of aluminum indium arsenide with the indium concentration graded so that it can match the lattice contact of both the gallium arsenide substrate and gallium indium arsenide channel. This provides better low noise performance and more gain. That's all about HEMT. Thank you for watching this video.